We've just been planting a whole lot of trees.
About 3,000 plants were placed into the ground here, as well as rebuilt irrigation.
We're covering about 100 acres of land.
We are creating a habitat for some animals that are on the endangered species list. For example, the arroyo toad.
We're rebuilding everything, doing the irrigation system all together again, making sure the habitat's gonna be good again for all the animals that lived here.
Right now we've got people out here planting the new plants, as well as providing them with some shelter with these milk boxes.
A little bit more. There you go. Perfect.
Certain plants have to go in certain areas. They're labeled with flags and other types of markings. Willows, mugwort, ragweeds, sandbars, all kinds of plants. When you think about what it's going to do in the future, they told us that it's going to be a bunch of new habitat for the endangered species within the next 3 to 5 years.
¿Cuántos pies para qué? Y luego le cierras bien.